GeoBlue Travel Insurance Honest Review, my experience and coverage explained. If you're planning international travel, GeoBlue promises comprehensive medical coverage abroad. But is it really worth it? I've tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, assuming all travel insurance is the same. The surprising truth is GeoBlue focuses heavily on medical emergencies, offering access to a global network of doctors and hospitals with direct billing in many cases. Signing up was straightforward. You choose your plan, enter your travel dates, and receive a digital insurance card instantly. The mobile app makes it easy to locate providers, access policy details, and submit claims. One of the highlights is emergency medical coverage. During my trip, I needed urgent care, and GeoBlue connected me with a nearby clinic that accepted the policy directly. No upfront payment was required, which is a huge relief when traveling abroad. Coverage isn't limited to medical emergencies. It also includes trip interruption, evacuation, and some incidental benefits like prescription replacement. For example, when I lost my medication, the customer support team guided me to a pharmacy that could refill it under my policy. The only downside is cost. Premium plans can be more expensive than standard travel insurance, especially for long-term or high-risk trips. However, the peace of mind and global support often justify the price. In conclusion, GeoBlue Travel Insurance is an excellent option for travelers who want reliable medical coverage and easy access to healthcare worldwide. If emergencies or medical support abroad are a concern, this platform is worth considering.